Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Normally, it is hoped that cases of this kind will end at this stage. Just should anything emerge against the officer between the grant of the above certificate and the date of this retirement, it will be open to the anti-corruption department and the initiative will rest with it to bring to the notice of the administrative department that material against the officer has now come to notice and suggest to that department not to allow the pension cause to be put through all degrees of finality stop. In this event, the administrative department will hold up a final grant of pension till the matter has been cleared stop. It is however open to the department to grant a provisional anticipatory pension under the normal rules in hard cases, but in doing so it will take into consideration the views of the anti-corruption department stop. With regard to case which all fall under class bracket B above, the anti-corruption department will inform the administrative department within a month of the receipt of an inquiry from it that there is material against the officer and his pension case should therefore not be finally approved. Stop. In such event, the administrative department will not grant a final pension. It may give an anticipatory pension under the rules, but in doing so will take into consideration the views of the anti-corruption department in regard to such anticipatory pension stop. With regard to cases under bracket C above, action as at bracket B will be taken, though in such cases where there is definite evidence against an officer on the basis of which inquiry is proceeding, an anticipatory pension will not normally be granted unless there are circumstances of extreme hardship involved in which even the orders of Chief Secretary and Chief Minister should be obtained. Stop. Government wish to emphasize also that where cases are held up in classes bracket B and bracket C above, or as a result of subsequent information coming in regard to an officer under class bracket A above, there is a definite responsibility with the anti-corruption department endeavor to get the matter settled one way or a other as speedily as possible so that a final decision does not get postponed too long after the date of retirement. Stop. Such cases where an officer, if on the eve of retirement, should therefore be dealt with by the anti-corruption department with speed. Full stop. Over.